Leadership had already booked the room. 15 middle managers were expecting a workshop on having difficult performance conversations. And my outline was nothing. 3 days to go, no ideas, just pressure. So I made tea, opened ChatGPT, and tried something different. I didn't ask it to write a workshop. I started talking to it like a colleague. I'm stuck. Need a workshop on performance conversations for middle managers. They're overwhelmed, avoid conflict, and don't have time for lengthy processes. What's a fresh angle? It came back with, what's the one thing these managers complain about most in performance conversations? That it feels fake, like they're reading from a script HR gave them. And just like that, we had our hook. Over the next 20 minutes, we went back and forth. It suggested starting with real scenarios from their world. I pushed back on the tone. Too formal. It adjusted. I asked for interactive elements that didn't need prep time. By the time my tea went cold, I had 3 realistic case studies pulled from common manager pain points, 2 group activities that didn't need facilitator materials, a self-assessment managers could use immediately after, even the follow-up email with reflection prompts. My first 2 prompts were too generic, but once I got specific about my audience's actual struggles, it became a thinking partner, not a content generator. The workshop ran last week, scored 4.8 out of 5. 3 managers asked for the framework before they even left the room. I've been designing workshops for over a decade. This was the first time I didn't feel like I was staring at a blank page, wondering where to start. AI didn't do my job, but it helped me think faster, sharper, and without the 2 a.m. panic that usually comes with tight deadlines. And in a world where we're juggling compliance updates, employee crises, and quick leadership requests, that's genuinely valuable.